Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. And today is November the 22nd, 2019, and I wanted to show you a new order that I just got from Rare Seeds today in the mail. This is the Moringa dwarf tree here, and this is I decided to pick this one because it's supposed to be a complete protein. And it's also supposed to be loaded with antioxidants, and it also has the amino acids in it. So I decided to try this one here. Now, they do recommend that you soak these in very warm water for 2 to 3 days, and that you rinse the rinsing often. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the water on them quite frequently when I soak these. And this is a variety that comes from India, and it's well suited for growing in containers. So I am going to be growing this one here in the greenhouse, and I plan on keeping it then in the greenhouse. And the next one I decided to try here is the Roselle Red, and this is a type of hibiscus. And this one here tells you to soak the seeds for 4 to 6 hours before you plant it. Now, why I picked this one here is this is what they actually make to do the red zinger tea. And I decided I wanted to try and make my own teas out of this. You can use this for teas and jellies and pies, and it has all different types of uses. So I'm looking forward to trying this one out here. Now I'm going to be growing this one in the greenhouse as well. This is not a perennial in Pennsylvania, where I'm going to be growing this here at. So they tell you to plant this very early. So I'm going to be planting this one here in the greenhouse. And you can even use the, from the research that I've done, you're supposed to be able to use like the stalks for like making baskets and different things. So I'll have to see then if you can do that with it. So this has a lot of uses for it, and I'm looking forward to getting to try this one here. And as a free gift, they gave me the purple Russian tomato again, and I did do videos of this one on my channel. We did grow it this year, and we really liked it. It had a nice smoky flavor to it, and we also used it for drying, and I really like this one here, so we are going to continue to grow this variety here. Now my lemongrass seeds are in the mail, so I'm just waiting to get those, and you can use the lemongrass for making teas and for cooking. So I decided to try that one as well. So this is what's going to also be new this year. I had already done some videos of some new seeds that I had picked out, and I'm kind of just going through the catalogs and different things and picking things out, doing some research on it, and then deciding if I want to give it a try. So okay, so today is November 23rd, and I just got my lemongrass seeds in the mail today, and it worked out perfect because I didn't upload the video yet. Now on the lemongrass seeds, on the back, it says that it has irregular germination rates. So it gives a range of 5 to 21 days to germinate. So it says that you want to plant more seeds than what you need. You want to sow your seeds what they call thick. So what I'm going to do with this one here when I plant it is I'm going to plant it in a flat. And I am going to show you how I plant lemongrass seeds. And as the seedlings come up, then I will take them out of the flat, and then I'll transplant them to my like little cell packs. And I'll show you guys how to do that then. So this requires heat, humidity, and moist-rich, sharply drained soil. Now this is going to be part of my greenhouse growing experiment, and I am going to be planting this in the greenhouse. The ideal temps are about 70 degrees. So I'm going to be putting it on the heated floor in there to help it germinate faster. And from what I've read about lemongrass, you can use this to make teas. You can use it for cooking. It's tender, long, slender, pale green stems that are thick and fleshy. Now, lemongrass is one of the things that they put in red zinger tea. And then, as my free gift here, I got the purple Russian tomato again. So I got another pack of these. So, keep watching my channel for the how to plant videos, and I will be putting these on then as soon as I start planting them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!